What is up, guys? My name is Noxious Penguin, and today I have another mod installation tutorial for you guys. And today we're going to be going over two mods, and these two mods are TooManyItems and SinglePlayer commands. So, first thing we want to do, like I showed in the last video, is go ahead and go to Run, which is Control or Windows R, or you can go to the Start menu, type in Run, and you'll find it there. Now, what we want to do is drag our Minecraft folder to our desktop, and what this is going to do is back up all of our files, that to save our worlds in case something does happen and it crashes. It could corrupt your world, so we want to go ahead and do that. Now, just go ahead and sign in to Minecraft so that it will generate the files again, and it will take a little bit to download. And it might not log in first try either, because Minecraft is a little buggy lately with the whole signing in and everything. But while that is going, it'll start up automatically. TooManyItems, if you don't know what it is already, is a in-game inventory editor where you can give yourself any items you want. It works for multiplayer if you're opt or if you have the permissions, and it always works in single player. So those, and also single player commands. It's just like a million a million mods all in one. You can do a lot of stuff, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Let's go back to Minecraft and go ahead and try to log in again. Hopefully it'll work. There it goes. So it's just going to download the whole .minecraft folder again so we can go ahead and edit it. It's necessary for it to run. And another thing that we're going to need to be able to run single-player commands is something called Rizugami's mod loader, and we'll get into that as well. Basically what it does is just allows the mod to actually run. Accidentally opened up Skype there. So we can just go ahead and X out of Minecraft now, and then do Windows R, and go into our app data, and .minecraft. So the first thing we want to do, go to the bin, and the Minecraft, and we want to go ahead and open up that with WinRAR. And I'll have the link to WinRAR and all of these mods and mod loader in the description for you guys in case you don't already have it. So we're going to go ahead and delete this meta.inf folder, which we have to delete that to install any mods. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and minimize this and download our mods. So we can go ahead and download TooManyItems. We got an ad fly here, and then we can scroll down here, download, and single player commands is also ad fly. So go ahead and skip that ad and open that with the WinRAR, and then the same one with this. Go ahead and skip ad and open that up. Alright, so we also want to pick up mod loader. We just directly download that one. And there we go. So we can go ahead and minimize that, and that does pop up after a while once you get WinRAR. But first thing we want to do is we can go ahead and minimize the mods, except we want to keep mod loader up here, and then go ahead and open up your Minecraft.jar, and we can just go ahead and take all these class files and drop them in here, and that's it for mod loader. Next thing we're going to do is TooManyItems. So we're just going to drag all these class files into the .jar, click OK, and we're done with that. And last but not least, single player commands. We can just go ahead and do the same thing, drag all these files, except the world edit.jar. We're going to leave that out. We're going to do that in a second here. So drag those in, and we can go ahead and click OK. So the next thing we want to do is open up our .minecraft folder again and make sure you're on the bin. And what we want to do now is just drag this worldedit.jar into the bin folder, and we're done with that. So now we can close out of all of this, go ahead and open up Minecraft and make sure everything's running smoothly. Go ahead and log in, and it might take a little bit. There we go. And we didn't get a black screen, so we know that it did work. And it's gonna super lag here. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and X out of this for just a second, and I'm gonna, so it doesn't lag a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and drag a world into my saves from this. I'm just gonna copy one in there. So I'm gonna go to saves, and we can just go ahead and copy the legit world, or I'll do this one. We can go ahead and copy and paste that folder into this saves folder. And then we can go ahead and launch up Minecraft again here. Just so that it doesn't lag a lot. So it doesn't have to load all those chunks for the first time. Just gonna go ahead and sign into Minecraft here. So, let's see. There we go. Alright, so just go ahead and load this world here. And go ahead and turn the fog down so that it doesn't lag a lot. So it is still pretty laggy. I do apologize. But we're gonna go ahead and do like I showed in the zombies mods video. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the controls for me really fast here. Just gonna fly through here. Alright, so now as you can see, if I go ahead and press the T button, it brings up the single player commands chat. And if I go to my inventory, here's some too many items. So I don't really know if mod loader is necessary for too many items, but it might be, so I would recommend picking that up before you put in too many items. But a few things you can do with single player commands here. We can go ahead and spawn ourselves items, which isn't really necessary considering we have too many items, but we can do that. We can get wand here so we can world edit chunk. I don't know, just change this to stone or what have you. But I didn't get the second position there. There we go. I can go ahead and set that to stone. So you can do a lot of stuff with world edit. I would recommend looking into that a little bit more. Another thing you can do is change the time. I'll make it night. And all that stuff, which is pretty neat. It's very useful. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, please remember to leave a like rating and subscribe. My name is Noxious Penguin, and I'm out. Peace.